You learned how to sew, right? Maybe I taught you. Maybe you learned from someone else. Or maybe you taught yourself. Now, let me ask you a question. Apart from sewing for yourself and sewing for customers, what other way are you making money from your sewing knowledge? Yes, what other way are you making money from the sewing knowledge you have? Tell me, are you making money by teaching others? If your answer is no, why? Why are you keeping this knowledge to yourself? Oh, you think if you teach other people what you know, they will use your ideas, become better than you, and steal your customers? This reminds me of a lady I met some time ago. She said she doesn't teach people because she's afraid that after learning from her, they will take away her customers. Honestly, I didn't know when I busted into laughter. Yeah, because I was like thinking, are people still thinking like this in this century? Come on. That kind of mindset is keeping a lot of people stuck. The sky is wide enough for everyone. Yes, it is. So if you truly know your onions, you won't be afraid of teaching others because you're scared they will steal your customers from you. In fact, every week you are not teaching someone what you know. You are leaving money on the table. Real money. And more than that, you are leaving impact on the table. So today, I'm going to show you the risk of not teaching others and why you need to start monetizing your sewing knowledge now. And I mean now. Not next year, not next month, not next week. Now. Yes. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Vivian, and on this channel we talk about growth in your sewing business. Yes, from the easy sewing techniques I teach here to practical ways of making more money from the knowledge and skills you already have. So if you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, and if you have been following me on this channel, thank you and welcome back. As you watch, please hit the like button. And if you have any question or comment, drop them in the comment section, okay? So don't forget to share this video with someone you think needs it. Please do that, okay? And make sure you watch until the end. Yes, watch until the end because I have something special for you. Something you will not want to miss. If you snooze, you lose. So right now, let's get into today's discussion. Now, let me paint two pictures. Picture one, the risky part, and picture two, the safe part. So let's start with picture one, the risky part. You keep sewing for yourself and your customers. You make beautiful clothes. People admire your work. You are talented, but you never teach. 5 years pass. You are still in the same place. The same skill, the same income, the same struggles, the same frustration. Meanwhile, someone with half your skill decides to start teaching beginners. Maybe online, maybe physically, and 6 months later, they have students. 1 year later, they have a community. 2 years later, they have a course. 3 years later, they are earning from sewing. Yes, they are earning from sewing and teaching as well. And you are still sewing alone, still depending on clients' work, still exchanging time for money. And here's something many people don't think about. What happens if one day you can no longer sew? Think about it seriously. What happens if you fall sick for a week? What happens if there's any form of accident? What happens when age catches up with you? What happens if your eyes are no longer as sharp as they are today? What happens if your hands can no longer spend long hours on a sewing machine? What happens to your income? You see, when your only source of income is sewing for clients, the day you stop sewing is the day the money stops coming. And that is risky. Very, very risky. Now, let's look at the picture two. Okay, remember I said we have two pictures. The first picture and the second picture. The first picture, which is the risky part, and the second picture, the safe part. Now, let's look at the safe part. The safe part, you decide to start teaching, maybe just one small class, maybe 4 students, maybe in your shop, yes, your small shop, or maybe in your living room, or maybe online. So let's say each student pay 30,000. That is 120,000 from one class. Imagine having 10 students. Imagine having 20 students. Imagine teaching online where people can learn from you, from different states and even different countries. Imagine recording one sewing course once and getting paid for it again and again. Imagine creating digital products that continue working for you long after you finish creating them. Imagine waking up and seeing payments alerts from lessons you've recorded months ago. Imagine earning from sewing and teaching sewing. Now you're no longer depending on one source of income. You're building multiple streams of income from the knowledge you already have. And that is not all. Teaching sewing is not just about money. Teaching helps you build authority. It helps you build your brand. It makes you visible. It creates opportunities. It helps you build a community. And most importantly, it allows your knowledge to outlive you. Think about that. So imagine someone feeding their family because of the skill you taught them. Imagine a young woman becoming financially independent because of something she learned from you. Imagine hundreds of people earning a living because you decided to share what you know. That kind of impact is priceless. Yes. Now let me tell you, which picture do you want? The risky part or the safe part? I think I already know what your answer is. Yes. Now let me tell you why this is the perfect time to start. People are actively looking for sewing teachers right now. Some want to learn because the economy is hard and they need a skill. Some want to start a fashion business. Some want to save money by sewing their own clothes. Some want to learn alterations and make extra income. Some want a skill that that they can fall back on. Some want a productive hobby. And some want to learn this sewing so that they too can teach others. The demand is there. It is there. The question is, are you making yourself available? Many people are waiting until they become experts before they can start. No, this is a mistake. If you wait until you know everything, you may never start. Yes, so the truth is, you don't need to be a master. You simply need to be ahead of the beginner you're helping. Yes, if you can sew a straight line, if you can thread a sewing machine, if you can fix a hem, you already know more than many people who want to learn. But here's the real problem. You are overthinking it. You lack confidence. You don't think you're good enough. I understand, because I've been there. Yes, and that particular mindset kept me stuck for a long time. But one day I told myself that I had to outgrow that fear. I told myself that I wanted to make impact. So I started. Did I know everything? No. Was I confident at that time? No. Was I sure people would listen to me? No. Was I sure people would understand what I was teaching? No. But I started anyway. And today, over 160,000 people are learning from me. I receive testimonies regularly. Some people have won sewing competitions because of what they learned from me. Some people have started businesses. Some have improved their sewing skills tremendously. And the amazing thing is that many of these people are not even in my country. So you can see. So apart from YouTube, I also have other places where people learn from me. I have people learning from Telegram. I have other platforms where people are learning. And all this happened because I decided not to keep my knowledge to myself. So you can see. So the impact I am making today brings me fulfillment and satisfaction. So the question is not, am I good enough? The question is, am I willing to share what I know? Am I ready to make impacts? Am I ready to create another source of income? Am I ready to help people while helping myself? Okay, if your answer is yes, but you don't know how to start, if you're wondering how to package your knowledge, how to get students, how to structure your lessons, how to turn your sewing knowledge into income, then I have something for you. Yes, I have created a free community where I'll be sharing these tips. Okay, I'll be sharing free tips on how you can monetize your knowledge, your sewing knowledge, and start making money from it quickly. Yes. So what you do is click the link in the description box or in the comment section so that you can join the group. Do not snooze, because if you snooze, you lose. Yes, so click on the link in the comment section. I'll be dropping the link. So after watching this video, go straight to the comment section or the description box of this video and click on the link. That will take you to the class. It's a free class. I just want to share this with you. Okay, the truth is this: the knowledge sitting right inside your head is worth money, but knowledge that is not shared is like money locked inside a safe. Yes, nobody benefits from it. Not you, not the people whose lives you could be transforming. Okay? So stop waiting. Stop doubting yourself. Stop telling yourself you are not ready. Start where you are. Start unsure. Start with one student. Start with one class. Start with one video. Start with one lesson. Yes, because 5 years from now, you would either be grateful that you started today or you would wish you had started. Yes. And if you start today, you will thank yourself for that. You'll be grateful you did. So I hope you love this video. Please give it a like. Subscribe if you haven't done that up till now. And share with your friends. Share to others that you think would need this, okay? And don't forget, join the community. It's a free community where I will give you these tips. I would like to see you there. Remain blessed.